Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. So this video is again on Wish, and what a day. So end of the day, we are up by 12.7% and we were even up by 15-16%. We came down a little bit, but still after market we are up 1.7%, in total close to 15%. And I'm so happy because I have been making videos on Wish over the weekend. If you have noticed, like I made one video just on Saturday saying that Wish must watch why $10 is a very crucial level. So if you haven't watched that particular video, please watch. I also made another video on Wish reward versus risk, and this video is still not old because it talks about so many factors why you should be investing or trading Wish, because what is the reward potential, at the same time what is your risk potential. And I have been calling on Wish. And again, that was really good because 15% up. And if you look at the Wish thing, I'll come back more things. One other thing, I have a YouTube page community. You see here, community board. So there are some posts for the public, some posts for the members. You can see that for members only, the pre-market, I talked about it. It was up by 5%, 10.49. Then we talked about the January 2020 10 strike price call option. We talked about it. Then you will see there are many posts only for the members, and some posts only for the members with the chart setup, pictures and everything, and also when I get in, get out, this kind of thing. And some posts are definitely for the public as well, but again, if you're a member, then definitely you will get more. And it costs only $3 per month, which is only 10 cents per day. If you want, you can come here and just click on the join, and you can join the community. Every day we are getting new and new members, and definitely if you ask about any ticker, then I just reply, or I just analyze and take a picture and attach so that you get what you were wanting. So anyway, lots of talking about what I'm doing, but now it is your time. By the way, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you like Wish. This is a channel I'm covering Wish a lot across the YouTube. Only few channels are covering Wish almost every day. So if you are a Wish holder or planning to get into Wish, this channel should be in your wish list and you should subscribe. Anyway, my friends, so first of all, if you look at all US exchange volume leader, you see the volume leader number 1 AMC, this is the king. But look at number 2 Wish, we are at number 2. The total volume is 178 million, sitting at number 2. We know about Sense and everything, but Wish is at number 2. Excellent. Also look at the volume here. The average volume is only 58 million, and today's volume was 178 million. And for last week, lots of people are coming, lots of volume, and you see volume is affecting the price. And why? We all know it, right? Also look at most active options and see Wish here. So 1 2 3 4 5, so number 5 is Wish. So the option volume is 490,000. See the percentage of call, 86.8% options are call option. On the other hand, only 13% are put option. So you see a big bias towards the call option. And more importantly, I'll show you some other things. Definitely I will come back to the chart. I will talk about the support, resistance, technical analysis. But before that, let's see the exciting stuff, why we are so excited. Now, if you remember in my last video, I talked about I can just show you 45 by July 16. You see, because July 16 45 call option has the highest volatility, and I was talking in my last video here, right? So July 16 45 had one of the highest implied volatility. Look at the numbers. It was 282%, and the price of the call option was $25, and there was 7,000 open interest. Look at $25 and 7,000, and look what is happening today. So 25 became 70. So if you have entered, or if you have invested, or whatever you did, you should have doubled or tripled your money. Look at the percent gain today, 133%. So definitely if you have bought that, then you are in money. Also look at what's the number, yeah, 7,000 has become 7,400. So even more call options are open. Look here, this is open, right? So they haven't closed. This is the fun thing, right? So they haven't closed, and they are predicting by July 16 they are predicting for a 45, what happened, yeah, $45 call option. Not only 45, look at the other numbers. 8,000 for 25, 21,000 call option sitting at 20, 17,000 for $15, 19,000 call option for 12.5. So you see, so many call options are waiting here, and these are big money. If you multiply 17,000 with 190, you will see a big number. So millions of dollars are waiting here, and I think you know about this because the gamma squeeze. I'm not saying wish will have a gamma squeeze, but the thing is, when there is out of option, out of the money, call option, and there is a huge spike in the volume here, then the market makers, they have to protect themselves, right? So if they sold the call option, they also have to have the shares in their pocket. In the event if it goes to $45 and these people starts to exercise their call option, then they have to provide the shares. So these multiplied by 100 will be like 700,000 shares need to be there. So then the market makers, they start buying the shares. So short squeeze, retail investor at the same time. When market makers, they starts buying, then there's a lot of pressure and the price goes up. GME, GameStop was the perfect example, and AMC, I think, going same way. You will see lots of out of the money call options, and it is very exciting to see here also for Wish. So but I just want to show you side by side between the last day and today. The number of open interest has increased. At the same time, look at the percentage for those ones. So the one in the money, their percent gain is only 60%, 63. But look at here, look at the volatility. It was 200 something, now it is 320%. So more and more people are buying, lots of demand, and you see the increase is 133%. The share price went up only 15%, but these call options went up by 133%. So exciting, right? Few other things before we talk too much. If you do not know what you are doing, please make sure you have a proper risk management. So you know what price you will sell, you know what price you buy. Some people, I heard, they bought around $15-16 and they do not know what to do. Some people bought at 12 and they are not sure why. So always have your plan. If you're not sure, just get out, wait in the sideline, and if there is a dip, buy. In my last video, I talked about the $10 so many times, and this morning we started right at $10. Because I was talking, $10 is a very important point. So if you have bought at $10, it went almost 11.9. So you see, so much profit you can make, almost 20%. So you need to know what you are doing. At the same time, if I make a video and if it comes down tomorrow, so it went 15% up today, it can come down 4% tomorrow. It does not mean everything is destroyed. Even within 2 days we had plus 15, then minus 4, even we are up 10%. So some people just come, oh, we said it will go up. It's not necessary it will go up each and every day, but you have to see the big picture. You have to know what you are thinking. Lots of talking, let's go back to the chart. And by the way, subscribe to this channel again, and also join my community so you get more update during the market hours, what we are doing, what we are thinking, not only for Wish, for everything. Anyway, lots of lines, and you know why. So last time I talked about it, it was $12, it went to 17, came down. Anyway, these are some old story. So there was a gap here. Now seems like we are in that particular range. It's a good consolidation. As long we are not going below $10, that's a good one. If it comes to 10, maybe I'll just buy more share. Other than that, we have a resistance around 11.7 area. So we went there today, came down. I think we went to 11.9, came down, but anyway, 11.7, 11.9, not a big deal. But I think the next thing is we need more volume. Look at the green volume today. If we see more volume tomorrow, I think we will see even higher. And most probably, if things are really looking good, maybe we will open over 11.7. Who knows, we can go over 12. The last time we were here 12, and we pre-market we went all the way 17 and we opened around 14.67. Things can happen, right? So pre-market is very important tomorrow. If we open over 11.7 or even $12, this thing will run. And look at some other resistance. If this thing starts running, I think from here some of the lines you should be noting by yourself. So 11.7, 12.2, 13.25, 15.2, this one, then we have 17.5, 20, and we have 24. Keep that in mind. It went to $32, and when this stock was IPO'd, it came to the market around $24 or maybe 20. And as per Nasdaq, it has a price target of 20 with a high of 30. Current price is $11. Even though I know lots of you are holding share at $11, do not worry, because if you see the chart, 7.58, that was the bottom, right? From $10 it can come to 8. Just buy more, average down. Other than that, if the analysts, they are correct, if they are saying $20, then this thing will go up. At the same time, it has a very high short interest, right? At that point they are shorting, so it came down, so it makes sense it should bounce back. So definitely I think it can easily go back and retest 15.5 area. But again, I can't predict tomorrow, right? If I can predict, then I will be a millionaire by one day. Anyway, and let's move back to 15-minute chart, and I just want to show you some other pictures here. So you see, last time the blue here is aftermarket and the green here is pre-market. So in pre-market we went around 16.6, came down, and now this is, we are sitting at a very important area, this line 11.6. you see here, we tried to break it few times before, we couldn't, came down, then we moved around $10 area. Today we moved over 10.25 area. Now we are trying to push, and whenever we can push 10.65, 10.7, this area, I think we will go towards 12 and 12.2 area. But again, this resistance we have to break, then we can fly again. I'm very excited. So my shares are still there. The call option, I just did some day trading today, so get in and get out, made some profit. And again, we will watch pre-market, and definitely normally I do some pre-market live. So again, if you're subscribed, or if you want to subscribe, make sure you select the all notifications so that you get every notification whenever I post anything or I become live. So anyway, my friend, thank you very much for watching this particular video. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, and also share this video in social media, or anyway, just hit the like button, make a comment, so that YouTube can pick up this one, that oh, this video has more views, it has more like button, so let's send this video to more people. So the algorithm will pick up and it will be sent to more people. And if you really wish to go higher and higher, I think people needs to know what is happening. And if you believe this is a good video, or the information I presented, these are good, these are not my own information, I'm just showing you the fact, the numbers, right? So if you find these are true numbers and useful, then please hit the like button, subscribe, and also join my community for early access to chart, news, and so many. Thank you very much again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.